Alright, here we go. We've gotten all the nuts and the bolts out now, and now it's a matter of trying to pry this thing off of here. It's not going to be easy, I don't think. So basically what you have to do is take your butter knife, probably a hammer, let's see. Oh, ouch. Make sure I've got all my bolts out. I believe I do. You see it's starting to budge. See, now officially I have my butter knife into where that hole is there. But we need more than that. Okay, it's starting to budge. There it is in there now. So it should just come out now. I'm really glad I captured that on the video because it helps you to see that this job actually isn't as simple as it looks at the first. Some of these bolts are harder to get to than others. You have to use different size extensions for this and for that. You see that? We got the pan out now. And here's something pretty funny to look at. Check this out. We got the pan off. You know what that thing is right there? See that? That's my engine oil dipstick. How funny is that? That's my engine oil dipstick hanging down right there. That's pretty funny. And I have no clue what this thing is sticking down, but that is what the inside of your little engine oil pan looks like. Right there. Have a look at that for a few seconds. Take that in. And then you have this rod that's extending out. I'm assuming that that's the rod that sucks the engine oil up out of the pan and into the engine compartment. And then there's the other part of it right there. Doesn't appear to be anything. I don't see any pistons. I see what the pistons move around on. But that's pretty much it right there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to clean all this off. You see all the junk that we have around the gasket on both sides. And we're going to clean all that off. And this will conclude the second segment of this job.